A lot of people from my community have reached out to me and they have been asking, what AI software can I use to create LO videos or to create long form videos? And I decided to record this tutorial. Now we all know that Grok AI is no longer free, and even the paid version is expensive with limited creation per day and per week. And for small content creators who are yet to be monetized, for most people, they can't afford to pay 40 to 50,000 naira monthly to be able to use Grok AI. Now, it is very important for you as a small content creator who wants to remain consistent to explore other applications, and that is why I am recording this tutorial. Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Emmanuel, and in this tutorial, I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can use an AI generative app to create a long form video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other people, and it helps us to create more amazing videos like this. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Now, for this application, for this AI application we're going to be using, I have recorded a similar tutorial with the same application, but currently there is an update on the application and I would like to bring that to your notice. Now, for this application, you will simply go to Play Store, or you go to the App Store if you're on an iOS, and you're going to search for this application. The name of this application is GenV, right? You click on GenV and you will search. So you can see that the app just came up and it said it is installed. I should update. I think I've updated this, but I don't know why it's showing I should update. So I'll just go ahead to click on update and I will wait for it to update. So while we are waiting for it to update, we are going to go to ChatGPT and create a very short story that we are going to be using for testing this application. So we are going to head on to ChatGPT, right? And when you're on ChatGPT, just for the sake of this tutorial, I said, hello ChatGPT, I need a 3-minute story about a girl that was despised by everybody in her family, including the villagers, who turned out later to save the village. Now the story should have plenty morals and it should be interesting and should exceed 3 minutes. So it is based on a dialogue story. Now, when you're communicating with ChatGPT, you just talk to ChatGPT just the way you're conversing with a friend. You can explain your idea to ChatGPT. You can give it a background of the story, the character, and everything. Character description. You can give it the background, and ChatGPT is going to build up your story. So you can see that ChatGPT has built up this character. So you can see the character descriptions in this story, right? And it has went ahead to write the story, and it's even giving us the moral lessons at the end. So I went ahead to tell ChatGPT, I need you to give me a character prompt to generate images for this story. And the prompt should be scene by scene image prompt for the story. So I explained to ChatGPT that I need a character description, a character prompt to generate image for this story. And ChatGPT went ahead to even give me a character description. And this is important for character consistency in the story. And you can see that it also went ahead to give me the image prompt one by one. And you can see the image prompt scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, 4, and all the likes. So now that we have all of this, let's go back and check if our app is done updating. So it's done that updating, and I'm going to click on open to open it, and I'll leave it right there. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to copy one of the prompts for the images, and I'm going to generate the image. So I'll just hit on select and I will just copy this right here. So you can use any image generator of your choice, right? But for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to be using ImageFX. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using ImageFX for this. So I'll just go and open my browser and I will search for ImageFX. So I'll just wait for it to open the interface for me right there. So you can see ImageFX is open. If you have not signed in using your Gmail, you can sign in, and then you're going to see where it says new new project. So you click on that new project, and you can see the bottom here where you have agent. You click there and you're going to select Nano Banana 2. So this is it. You select Nano Banana 2, you put it on image, and you select Nano Banana 2, and you're going to select the aspect ratio. Because I'm creating this for YouTube, I'm going to leave it at 16:9. Now guys, I talked about our WhatsApp and Telegram community. Kindly click the link in the description of this video to join that community. It's very important. As a small content creator, you need a community where you can get help, where you can ask questions and get the right answers. It's going to help you grow easily. And don't forget, if you have watched this video to this point, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, kindly drop a comment and tell me what tutorial you want me to make next, and I'm going to create it for you. Remember, on this channel, we don't gatekeep, and we ensure that you can still create content using free AI tools. So let's continue this video. So you can see the model I'm using, Nano Banana 2. You can select any model, but mind you, some of these models are not free. So I'll select Nano Banana 2, and I'm going to select aspect ratio 16:9, and then I will go back and I'm going to paste my prompt here. So I'll paste my prompt here, and I'm going to hit on this icon here, and I'm going to wait for it to generate. So you can see my previous generation here, and ImageFX has done a really amazing job. So we're going to wait for it to generate this image for us. All right, so you can see that ImageFX is done generating our video, our image, and you can see that the image is looking so nice. So I'm going to select this one, and I would download it to my computer. So I'll hit on download, and I'm going to download it to my computer. So you can see it is done downloading, and we are going to go back to ChatGPT again, and we'll scroll up and we'll go to our script. Right, we'll go to our script, and we are going to copy. So I'm looking for a very suitable place to copy, and so we're going to copy from here. Just for the sake of this tutorial, we'll copy from here. So we'll copy from here, and we'll go back to our app, GenV. So we are going to wait for it to open. Mind you, this app is entirely free, and just like the first version of Grok, when it was free, it creates 5 seconds video. So you can create this 5 seconds video, and you're going to merge it together to get a long form video. Guys, this is simple and straightforward. So you can see where it says free video. You're going to click on it, and you're going to select your aspect ratio 16:9, and you will go back, and you're going to click on this plus icon right here, and you're going to upload an image. So we'll click on the image and we'll click on done. So once we have our image right there, we're going to paste our prompt, that is our description, and we're going to hit on where it says create. So sometimes when you hit on this create, it's going to give you an advert to watch before the video generates, and sometimes it just works like that. So we are going to hit on create. It gave us an advert, so we are going to watch this advert before our video is going to create. So it's nothing too long, maybe 15 seconds or 20 seconds advert. So we'll just wait. So hit on continue. So you can see that we have skipped the advert and our video is about generating. So we'll just hold on for a bit for this video to generate. Alright guys, so you can see that our video is done generating, and we are going to play it to see what it looks like. So this is what our video looks like, and sometimes when you generate the video at a go, you might not really get what you're looking for, or you can generate more than once to get what you're actually looking for. And this can help you create short, meaningful short dramas, maybe 1 minute, 2 minute dramas for short, to remain consistent on your platform. And sometimes this generation also does come with voice. So this animation is suitable for narrators kind of story or voiceovers kind of story, right? The aim is for you to be able to create something and remain consistent. So once this is done generated, you can just simply click on the download button right here, and you will download the video onto your device. So guys, if you have watched to this point, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to tell me what tutorial you want me to make next, and don't forget to click on the link in the description of this video to join our support group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.